Could choosing the wrong mortgage cost you tens of thousands of dollars? With today's interest rates, many buyers are asking whether a fixed-rate mortgage or an adjustable rate mortgage makes more sense. Before you sign anything, stay with me because the answer could have a major impact on your monthly payment, your long-term finances, and even the home you can afford right here in Denton County, Texas. Have you noticed that mortgage rates seem to be all over the place lately? One lender talks about a fixed-rate mortgage. Another mentions an adjustable rate mortgage. And suddenly you're wondering if choosing the wrong loan could cost you thousands of dollars over time. If you're trying to decide between a fixed-rate mortgage and an adjustable rate mortgage here in Denton County, Texas, you're definitely not alone. I'm Steve Depoe, Realtor and Senior Real Estate Advisor with the Rose Realty Team, and today I'm going to help you understand the differences between these two loan options so you can make a more informed decision when buying your next home. By the end of this video, you'll understand how fixed-rate mortgages work, how adjustable rate mortgages work, and which option may make more sense depending on your goals, timeline, and financial situation. Let's start with the fixed-rate mortgage because it's the option most buyers are familiar with. A fixed-rate mortgage means your interest rate stays the same for the entire life of the loan. Whether you choose a 15-year or 30-year mortgage, your principal and interest payment remains predictable month after month. For many buyers in Denton County, that predictability is a major advantage. You know exactly what your mortgage payment will be 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and even 20 years from now. If interest rates rise in the future, your rate remains unchanged. That stability makes budgeting easier and helps eliminate surprises. The trade-off is that fixed-rate mortgages often start with a slightly higher interest rate than adjustable rate mortgages. In exchange for long-term security, you may pay a little more up front. Now let's talk about adjustable rate mortgages, commonly called ARMs. An ARM typically begins with a fixed introductory period. You might hear terms like a 5-1-ARM, 7-1-ARM, or 10-1-ARM. That first number represents the number of years your rate remains fixed. After that period ends, the interest rate can adjust based on market conditions. Here's why some buyers consider an ARM. During the introductory period, the interest rate is often lower than a comparable fixed-rate mortgage. That can result in a lower monthly payment and potentially greater buying power. For example, if you're purchasing a home in Denton County and expect to relocate within 5 to 7 years due to work, retirement plans, or lifestyle changes, an ARM may provide savings during the years you actually own the home. If you sell before the adjustment period begins, you may never experience a rate increase. However, it's important to understand the risk. Once the adjustment period starts, your interest rate and monthly payment could increase. While there are caps that limit how much the rate can rise, future payments become less predictable. So which option makes more sense today? For buyers planning to stay in their home for the long term, a fixed-rate mortgage is often the safer choice. It provides stability, protects against future rate increases, and allows you to lock in housing costs for years to come. For buyers who know they will likely move, refinance, downsize, or relocate before the adjustment period ends, an ARM can sometimes be a smart financial tool. The lower initial payment may free up cash flow or allow you to purchase a home that better fits your needs today. One thing I encourage every buyer in Denton County to do is look beyond the interest rate. Too many people focus exclusively on the lowest advertised rate without considering their long-term plans. The right mortgage isn't necessarily the one with the lowest rate today. It's the one that aligns with your financial goals and how long you expect to own the property. The North Texas market continues to attract buyers from across the country, and financing options have become increasingly important in helping buyers navigate affordability. That's why having a strategy before you start shopping is so important. If you're considering buying a home in Denton County, Texas, and you'd like help evaluating which financing option may fit your situation, I'd be happy to help. I'm Steve Depoe, Realtor and Senior Real Estate Advisor with the Rose Realty Team, and I work with buyers throughout Denton County to help them make confident real estate decisions. Schedule a consultation today, and let's build a personalized home buying strategy that matches your goals, timeline, and budget. Whether you're a first-time buyer, relocating to North Texas, downsizing, or moving up to your next home, I'm here to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who may benefit from having a real estate plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please wait 2 seconds for my contact information.